That's him right over there, man. He's not moving anymore. I'm pretty sure he knows I'm here. So, but that little black knot you see in the water is him. There he is. He's moving. He's moving. You see more of that came out? Yeah, he's coming over this way. Look at that. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Fucking gorgeous. I don't know what the hell noises I'm hearing over there. But there's a genuine Florida alligator right there. Sunset on Lake Howell. I don't know why I wouldn't have believed it, but yeah, I never would have thought there'd be alligators in this. Why? Why not? Because, hey, gator. 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 Gator, I see you. I see you there, bro. Come on. Get a better shot for every... Oh, he went underwater. And he may be coming this way, but I don't know what the hell that is in the background, but